Hello traders, it's Friday and it's time for summary. Today we had two live trading sessions and we opened some positions, we had some profits, we had some stop losses, and I want to share our trading plans and our results with you. So we're gonna go through all the trades, and also I will show you not only my trades but Pablo also was trading during our live trading session this afternoon, and you can see how Pablo was trading. So we're gonna go through that as well. On the screen, you can see the first plan of the day based on our strategy, basic buy, let's say a little bit of smart money related to the liquidity from Asian session. But unfortunately, we didn't open this trade. We opened nearly same trade as this one, but using order flow. Okay, order flow from higher time frame, from 1 hour time frame. The good thing is that price is heading to the take profit. But the bad thing is that I had to close that position just before news, and I had only profit of $400 from that trade. I was trying to get $10,000, but I cannot trade during news, so I had to close it. So that was the first plan on Euro USD. Let's check the other ones. Next one, gold. There was nice area of imbalance. We were using fixed range volume profile to spot those areas. We set pending order with very low risk, tight stop loss, and you can see risk to reward ratio like 1 to 10. Unfortunately, the price didn't get to that area. They reversed before, but I've opened the trade after grabbing some liquidity, and I will show you that trade in the second. So we're gonna come back to this one because I think it's gonna be later. Okay. Next one, this is crude oil. We had also nice plan for crude oil. I was expecting that the crude oil will go up today because from higher time frame, from 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, the price bounced from bullish rotation channel, and they bounce it from the bottom of that channel. So uh, I was just trying to get the perfect spot for entry, and I found it, but the price went straight up without us. So we couldn't do nothing with that. Next trade, that was Euro USD using order flow. You cannot see order flow on this chart. We were looking at trading view, but the trade was open 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. The price dropped down a little bit, nearly hit our stop loss. Then the price came back up, but I had to close this trade. Let's say on break even because $400. Let's say it's break even. This one here, I was using price action cycle. I've entered the position, but I realized that I shouldn't open it because it was like 40 minutes before the news, high impact news. So I closed that trade. Basically, I closed it by mistake. And that was a good thing because the price reversed and I would hit stop loss. I lost $900, but it's okay. My mistake. I should know that we have some important news coming up. I knew basically, but I shouldn't open this trade. So it was my mistake. Uh, Sometimes it happens, guys. Next one, that was the perfect trade. This trade was based also on fixed range volume profile imbalance, and the entry was perfect entry. Trust me, like sniper entry, and the price went straight up. I closed half of the position halfway, and the rest I closed it before the news because we had some news. So from this trade, I got more than $5,000, and I was risking only $1,000 for this trade. So the risk to reward ratio is pretty good, I can say. The next one, you can see the results from today. So gold two positions because I closed half of it. So you can see two positions on the screen, more than $5,000. US 100, by mistake, I closed the trade minus $912. And from Euro USD, we had $400 because we had to close it. Okay. All right, but I wasn't trade by myself. Also, during afternoon session, Pablo joined us and he shared with us his ideas for trades. And he was trading using lower time frames, like 30 minutes time frame, sorry, 30 seconds, 5 seconds time frame. Yes, guys, this is crazy. So very dynamic, very quick profits, and Pablo was managed to make more than $6,000. I think it was $6,400. So in total, we made more than $10,000 today. So on Friday before the weekend, I think this is pretty good. This trade here, it was on S&P 500. These are futures contract, 30 seconds time frame. Pablo was using also AI volume indicator, and like you can see, the trade was open. Take profit for $500. Next trade using 1 minute time frame. This is gold futures contract. Trade is open. Full take profit on $430. But I think he closed positions on the way somewhere, so he had a little bit less. It doesn't matter. You can see the price is heading to the take profit. 1 minute time frame. Next trade, you can see right after the previous trade, Pablo opened another trade, just waited for some pullback, opened another trade, uh, probably using this gap right here, and also got profit from this trade. That was pretty nice. Next one, you can see gold 5 seconds time frame, position open on 5 seconds time frame. That's why we can see so many gaps on the chart, and also full take profit. Mm, so 3 trades in a row in about 45 minutes. Very nice, because he made very nice profits on those trades. You can see another full take profit on this one here, all during our live trading session. So today was pretty good day for us for trading. Yesterday I had loss. That was only one losing day during the whole week. But anyway, we are in profits. I'm pretty happy from the results. Next week, maybe it's gonna be even better. Guys, if you want to see how we trade live, you can see another trade right here. If you want to see our trades live, we are live on YouTube. I think 2 or 3 times a week, so you can join us. But don't forget to subscribe the channel and like it, so we can see what we are doing during live trading sessions. We are trading live. We are using different kind of strategies, so we can come have a look and find something for yourself. Also, we got some more live trading sessions, because we got internal live trading sessions every single day. We got 2, 3, sometimes 4 live trading sessions during one day, and we have live trading session on Sunday on crypto. So, guys, please come and see how we do it. Uh, and that's it for this week. Now we're gonna finish. Today is last day for me on the market, because during the weekend I'm not trading. I'm not using crypto. I'm not trading on crypto. But we got traders. They are trading on crypto. That's why we have live trading sessions on crypto. Uh, but thank you for this week, guys. I know some of you went on our live trading sessions. You've seen us. Uh, Hopefully next week I'm gonna see all of you guys on our live trading session. So I wish you all the best. Have a great weekend, guys. And next week on Monday we're gonna start again, and we're gonna make even more profits. Take care.